Hey guys, Andrew Solani here with Mobility Equipment Recyclers, showing off this Go Chair by Pride Mobility. I'm going to do a little demonstration on it and just give you a sense about why it's so popular with our clients. First, I'm going to start with the turning radius. Has a very narrow base. It's less than 2 feet in overall width. It's great for small quarters. I can actually just turn right in a circle here. If there were things around me in a tight hallway, I could maneuver that with ease, given the radius of this machine. Despite its small size, it's actually quite robust. It can handle a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds while traveling up to 3.7 miles per hour. Another nice thing about this chair that people really like is the under-seat storage. So I lift up on these compartments here and I flip out. You can put your small belongings in there, wallet, cell phone, keys. It all fits nicely right in this under-seat storage baskets on either side of the chair. Has 9-inch drive tires in the back here that are solid, so you don't have to worry about putting air in it. Also solid front casters. For indoor use, like I said, has a great turning radius, but it's also a chair that can be taken with you in your car, SUV. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do that now. You start by disassembling the joystick, just unplugging it there, right from the rear end. There's a wire from the joystick. Disassemble, very easy. I like to fold this down. Grab under here, there's a lever. We lift up on that, take the seat right off. Put that to the side. This battery pack, you just grab right on the handle, up and out, very easy. Next, we're left with these two pieces. With the Feather Touch disassembly, I'm just gonna lift up on this. And now I have 4 very manageable, lightweight pieces. The heaviest piece being this motor here, 36 pounds. So very manageable and easy to take with you. Putting it back together is just as easy. You just reverse your steps. Plug in your joystick. You're ready to go. You can see why it's so popular. For those with limited mobility, transferring in and out of the seat can be a challenge, which is why having this lever, so I can get access to the chair this way, swivel into the seat. And it's also very affordable. If you have any questions about this chair, do not hesitate to reach out to us. We'd be happy to give you an in-store demonstration as well. 401-294-4111. Thank you for watching.